In this video, I will demonstrate how to conduct an electric motor test. This test will be an induction motor of less than 1000 volts rated. This is a de-energized test, so testing for dead is mandatory. The first step is a resistance test from the MCC or direct at the motor. If at the MCC, the resistance test ensures continuity. An open circuit is related to open isolators or a VSD in the circuit. The test leads are zeroed and then placed on T1 to T2, then repeated for T1 to T3, and then finally T2 to T3. Results are recorded into the MotorGenie app. The next step is an insulation test of 500 or 1000 volts. This result is also entered into the MotorGenie app. Unstable impedance tests can be associated with shaft rotation or induced cable voltages. The winding test is then completed applying the same sequence of measuring, and you will get results for impedance, phase angle, IF for each phase. Note that the test is valid for both star and delta connected motors. The results are entered into the MotorGenie app and the test applied and saved. A report is then produced for each motor and a date and time stamp for tracking of history.